Hi, so in today's video, I'm going to show you the challenge 9 of MIT App Inventor. So first we have here our distance map. I did this as the main page. We have here like our menu. We have an information part, or title or map, close up or zoom in, zoom out for us to block like the movement of the map, the markers on the location that is going. Then we have here our map updating. So that's the main, right? So we have the help section. In case the app is not working correctly, you can communicate with me or restart it. We also have the programming time example, which when you click it, each button will sound like the music notes. So we have our blocks section. So as we can see, there are a lot of blocks. But there are a lot of them that kind of repeat. You just change it depending of the marker. So here we start with the globals. We used a latitude user, a longitude. So we do it for it to calculate the distance. We use it by the square roots, the kilometers, etc. And the same thing for distance 1, distance 2, distance 3. After that, we have it to display a message for it to ask you what do you want to do with the marker. Then we have this part which displays the distance, and well, we have to do one for each marker, so that's why they look like a lot. After that, we have here the log, the location of each marker too, for marker number 1, number 2, and number 3, right? So we have here for the marker so you can drag it and you can put it in the place that you want. For it to set the latitude and longitude, to zoom in or zoom out, when the mark is initialized the screen, when the checkbox changes, it's for it to get the correct latitude and longitude. And we have the same for checkbox 2, checkbox 1. We have this for it to get the decimals. So we had to like multiply and get the square root of 10 and blah 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 blah. Here we have the marker 2, which also will display text, which is number 2. The marker, when we drag it, it will automatically display the distance from the 1 to the 2 or the 2 to the 3. And we have here the marker 3 for us to drag it. And what happens after we choose it? We have here the markers to get the global random color, the global menu. Well, we have that for it to program the time examples. Then we have, well, the help section doesn't have a lot of buttons. We have the screen 1, which is one of the buttons that play. So we have for it to play each sound, the number 2, the number 3, the number 4. So we have our emulator right here. So we will start in the main. The main one is this one. Okay, so it starts looking for your current location. Well, you decide where you want to like be. So you can choose like marker 1. Okay, so this will be our marker number 1, right? Then you can do the same thing for marker 2, marker 3, etc. Here it says this app was developed by Sara Núñez for the subject of information technologies. We have here menu, which we can go to the help section or the programming time example. If we choose to go there, we will go right here, right? So we have our buttons. So we click each one. So it keeps playing the sounds, right? So that's my app, my challenge number 9.